Aloha. This is going to be a test fit of a graphic I designed that resembles the C8 Corvette race car. I'm going to be installing it under my taillight, and again, it's just a test fit, so hold on. I've already cleaned the surface with Cleanse Easy, so now I'm just going to soap the surface and start the process. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna work, but let's begin. As you can see right now, the test fit is not that great. I'm gonna move the camera. So you can see right away that it's not correct. I'm gonna continue to try to apply it, and then we'll see how it looks. So as you can see, you just continue working it out all until all the soap and water is gone, and then it will lay down to the surface perfectly. The reason I like this method versus a dry method is because if you have a piece of this vinyl and one piece of the adhesive touches another one, that's the end of your day. You can't get the graphic back apart. You basically have to throw it away and start all over. But as you can see, this needs to be changed. This curve needs to be changed. I wanted this angle to follow this angle, so that needs to change. So it should come out to about here and then go across. So I will trace that design out on another piece of trace paper and send it back. It takes about 2 weeks for it to go back and forth between Mike at Vettestripes.com and me. So that was my lesson for today. I hope this helps. Aloha and stay safe.